Hi students, today let us learn about cell theory, types of cells and the difference between those cells. Let's see first the cell theory. Number 1, all living things are composed of cells. All living things are composed of cells. Number 2, the cell is the structural and functional unit of living things. Third one, all cells come from the division of pre-existing cells. These are the three cell theory. All cells come from the division of pre-existing cells. Without a cell, the new division cannot be. Okay, division of the new cells cannot be. That is what says all cells come from the division of pre-existing cells. There should be a cell. The pre-existing cell should be there, then only the new cell can be divided from. Okay, so these are the cell theory. Let's see types of cell. Mainly there are two types of cell. Number 1, prokaryotic cell, and number 2, eukaryotic cell. These are the two main types of cells. Now we are going to see first prokaryotic cell. So to avoid confusion, I will erase this, okay? Because the diagram is prokaryotic cells diagram. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells lack both a well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound cell organelles. Okay, you look at the diagram, you can see this very clearly. There are no nucleus and then there is no membrane-bound cell organelles. Here, this is flagellum. Okay, this is flagellum. Then it is surrounded by plasma membrane. This prokaryotic cell is surrounded by plasma membrane. Here is the plasma membrane. Then comes, you can see here, this is mesosome. Then the outside layer, that is cell wall. Then comes, you can see this, these are a ribosome. Then you can see here, this is chromosomal DNA. This is chromosomal DNA. And then plasmid DNA. This is plasmid DNA. So this is how prokaryotic cell look. In this, there is no nucleus, there is no membrane bound cell organelles. This is the prokaryotic cell parts. Okay, this is how it looks. And this is the main difference between prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. What is the main difference? Absence of nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Next is eukaryotic cell. We already saw prokaryotic cell. Now the second type is eukaryotic cell. This is how eukaryotic cell look. Now what is eukaryotic cell? Eukaryotic cells are cells containing membrane bound organelles. Cells containing membrane bound organelles and are the basis of both unicellular and multicellular organism. In this you can see hair-like structure, that is called cilia. Okay, then this membrane you can see here, This is called plasma membrane, and inside there is cytoplasm. Okay, then here something like star, like, you know, can you see this? This is called contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole. Okay, then there is food vacuole. Here is the food vacuole. Okay, then you can see here nucleus. In prokaryotic cell there was no nucleus, and here in eukaryotic cell you can see here nucleus. Okay, so cilia, the hair-like structure you can see here outside, that is called the cilia. Then you can see the membrane, that is called the plasma membrane. Then inside there is cytoplasm. Okay, inside there is cytoplasm. Then contractile vacuole. This is called contractile vacuole. This is called the food vacuole. And then the nucleus. These are the parts of the eukaryotic cell. Let's see the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, then divided in two parts, and then in one side you can see here prokaryotic cell I have written, and this side eukaryotic cell. Now we'll see the difference. First difference, it says here prokaryotic cell is not made up of cellulose, whereas eukaryotic cell is made up of cellulose. Second one, endoplasmic reticulum is absent in prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell endoplasmic reticulum is present. Third one, Golgi bodies are absent in prokaryotic cell. Golgi bodies are present in eukaryotic cell. Then fourth point, mitochondria is absent in prokaryotic cell. Mitochondria is present in eukaryotic cell. Fifth point, vacuole is absent in prokaryotic cell, whereas vacuole is present in plant cells. In eukaryotic cell, vacuole is present in plant cell. If at all present in animal cells, it is in small size. These are the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.